services.
And leaving flames unattended.
Shack fires can burn up to 20 shacks in as little as 30 minutes. People often criticize the fire department for not acting quickly or soon.
Shack fires do not only cause death or injuries. Shack fires can also cause many health issues and sometimes mental problems.
Due to these statistics, the Life Science Committee has developed a plan to combat this issue.
This issue has not been left unattended to, and there are some implemented measures that do exist, such as educating communities, awareness campaigns, provisioning of fire extinguishers, and establishing fire stations in vulnerable areas.
But, if we're being honest, these past implementations do not fully assist in reducing fire spreading among these shacks. This may be due to various reasons such as lack of proper implementation, inadequate resources or services, and insufficient awareness among the people living in these shacks.
But now, what is our solution? Our solution is the Multiple System 3.0. The Multiple System 3.0 is a system that uses 3 techniques to combat shack fires in the places that they might occur in South Africa. As previously mentioned, it uses 3 techniques. The first technique being starlite. Starlite is a material substance, typically a plastic, that is highly fireproof and is resistant to extreme temperatures. It is able to withstand temperatures so high, reaching 2,700 degrees Celsius. Wow. The very same starlite material is used by NASA in order to reinforce the walls of their spacecraft as it shoots into the atmosphere to prevent it from breaking down or burning up. This increases the reliability of starlights in working efficiently in our project. We have used starlite material as reinforcement in the interior walls of each and every single shack. This starlite material, being highly resistant to high temperatures, will be able to enclose fires if they were to occur for any reason inside the shack, preventing the fire from spreading and affecting the entire surroundings of the shack. This prevents a large number of people from being affected and only maintains the fire within that specific shack. The second technique that is used by our system is one of the temperature sensors or temperature detectors. This system uses microbit sensors, which are temperature sensors, located in each and every single shack. These sensors will be able to detect a sudden increase in temperature due to there being a fire if it were to occur for any reason. It will then alert the ERR instantaneously. The ERR is the Emergency Response Room. In the Emergency Response Room, we'll find another microbit sensor that will be signaled. It will then show a fire alert. There, we find 2 buttons. The first button, if pressed, will be alerting firefighters or the fire department. It will provide them with specific details, important information that will assist them to go to that specific location quickly and arrive there fully informed and fully prepared for the conditions that they are about to face. This information includes the location of the fire, the directions to that specific location, and also the population size of the people surrounding the area. The second button, if pressed, will also be alerting the NPOs, non-profit organizations. The non-profit organizations will be informed of the very same information, which is location, directions, and the population size. They will be using this information in order to determine the amount of resources that will be needed for the people that they have to bring after the fire has been extinguished by the firefighters. These resources include clothing, shelter, and food parcels, or any other necessities that the people might need. If both buttons are pressed simultaneously, it will then alert the third part of our system, or the third technique, which is the solutional robot. The solutional robot is a robot that we have personally created and created an idea of. It is a robot that will act as the initial extinguisher of the flames. It will use water and carbon dioxide, which is used in fire extinguishers, in order to extinguish the flames before the actual firefighters come into play. Even once the firefighters have arrived, we will continue to act with them and support them so that the process of burning out or extinguishing the flame is fastened out. to minimize the damage that it has in the entire community. But our system, it is affected by power shortages. No, it's not. This is because we have used renewable energy in the form of solar panels that convert rated energy into electricity. This means that it will always be functional, as the solar panels will provide a constant supply of energy to the entire system. There's no other system like this. This is the first of its kind. That is why we believe that, all in all, with the implementation of our project, of our idea, there will be an impact that it will make. There will be multiple, if not countless number of lives that will be saved.
So, we as the Life Science team have been observing our neighboring communities such as Elungilani. These communities have people that live in shacks. So, we did this project in order to reduce the risk of the Lungilani community losing innocent and countless lives. So, from us to y'all, thank you and stay safe.